बांग्लादेश उससे पहले so first ever meeting of Inland Waterways Development Council happened in Kolkata. And who is the Union Minister for Port, Shipping and Waterways? Sarbanda Sonowal. Sarbanda Sonowal. I have sent this PDF. Online students, I have sent this PDF in the group. Please read it. And I am reading from here itself. So, who is the current High Commissioner? We'll discuss the objective number 32. Who current High Commissioner of the Maldives? Who is the current High Commissioner of the Maldives? Ibrahim Shahib. The current, because we have seen there was some sort of problem in the India-Maldives relationship regarding the tourism. So, when the Indian Prime Minister visited the Lakshadweep Islands. So, the current High Commissioner of the Maldives is Ibrahim Shahib, and India High Commissioner to Maldives is who is the Indian High Commissioner to Maldives? Munu Mahavar. Munu Mahavar. From India is Munu Mahavar, and from Maldives to India is Ibrahim Shahib. Now, who is the president of Maldives? Mohammad Muizzu. Mohammad Muizzu. He is anti-India, or you can say he is pro-China. So, current High Commissioner of the Maldives is Ibrahim Shahib. Indian High Commissioner to Maldives is Munu Mahavar, and the president is Mohammad Muizzu. President of Maldives is Mohammad Muizzu. Now we have seen the question might be coming as recently we have seen Alvaro is in news. Alvaro in news. What is Alvaro? Alvaro is the first cyclone of 2024. Alvaro is the first cyclone of 2024. Please remember, the question might be coming in any way. What is the name of the first cyclone of 2024? Or recently we have seen Alvaro in news. Alvaro is first cyclone of 2024. Cyclone Tufan. First cyclone of 2024. It came in which year? Which place? Madagascar. It came in Madagascar, and landfall happened in January 1, 2024. The landfall happened on January 1, 2024. So the question might be Alvaro is in news. Alvaro is the first cyclone of 2024. It had a landfall in Madagascar. What is the date? January 1, 2024. Let us see the next bit, 34th bit. 46th session of UNESCO World Heritage Committee. Who was the chairperson of 46th? Or you might get a question, 2024, in 2024, what was the number of session of UNESCO World Heritage Committee? It was 46th UNESCO World Heritage Committee. Who is the chairman of that committee? Who chaired the committee? India. For the first time, it happened in which, it is going to happen in which month? July 21 to 31, 2024. So it did not happen yet. It will happen in July. After you write our prelims test. When is our prelims? Group 1 prelims? 9th June. And by July, results will come. So, 46th session of UNESCO World Heritage Committee is chaired by India. It is the first time or what time? First time. At which place? Which city in India? New Delhi. When? July 21 to 31, 2024. Now coming to the 35th objective bit. ICC T20 Men's Cricket World Cup. to be jointly hosted by ICC T20 Men's Cricket World Cup, jointly hosted by West Indies and United States. West Indies and United States. Previously, US did not have any interest in all this cricket, but recently we have seen the USA is showing more interest in cricket also. So ICC T20 Men's Cricket World Cup, jointly hosted by West Indies and United States. Now, when will be the final? It is T20, remember, it is T20. They might confuse you with ODI or Test. So it is T20 Men's Cricket World Cup, jointly hosted by West Indies and United States. It will be 9th edition. It will be 9th edition of the World Cup, T20 World Cup. It will be 9th edition. It will start on 1st June 2024. It will start on 1st June 2024. So 9th June we have India versus Pakistan match. So group 1 छोड़ देंगे. So 9th edition starts 1st June 2024. Final will be in Barbados, West Indies. Final will be in Barbados, June 29. Final will be in Barbados, West Indies, June 29. How many teams will be participating? कितने teams participate कर रहे? 20 teams. How many matches? 55 matches. How many venues? 9 venues. How many shared by USA? 3 will be USA and 6 will be Barbados. Please correct in your notes. 6 will be West Indies. ICC T20 Men's Cricket World Cup will be hosted by West Indies and USA. It will be the 9th edition of the World Cup. It will start on 1st June 2024. Final will be on June 29, Barbados. First, not detail nahi likhe isme. 20. How many teams will be done? 20 teams. How many matches? 55 matches. Kitne venues? 9 venues. 3 will be in USA and 6 will be in West Indies. Please check whether 3:6 or 6:3. Final is in Barbados, June 29. West Indies. Final will be in Barbados, June 29. Now next bit is very, very important. Whether it will come in the examination. Henley Passport Index. Henley Passport Index. HENLEY. Henley Passport Index. HENLEY. Passport Index. What is the rank of India 2024? Rank of India in 2024. Please open the PDF also. PDF open कर लो, लिखने आसान होगी. Rank of India is 80th. Henley is the organization which gives you the passport index. This organization gives you how passport is powerful. How much your passport is powerful. We'll study. 4 पढ़ना है उसमें. So Henley Passport Index. What is India rank? 80. Out of how many countries? 199 countries. When you come to 2023, what was the India's rank? 84th. India has jumped 4 places up when compared with the last year. When compared with the last year. When compared with last year. Reason of jump, it has jumped. It has improved. No. It says your power of the passport is defined by how many countries you can travel visa free. How many countries you can travel visa free. Like you have to go, अगर हैदराबाद से दिल्ली जाना है, फ्लाइट पकड़ लिए चलेगा. Do you require any passport? You just need an ID proof. You can travel. Similarly, in the same thing, can you carry a just ID card and go to any other country? No. But there are some countries where they allow Indians into the visa-free traveling. Visa-free traveling. It is a quarterly index. It is a quarterly index. It is released 4 times a year. It is a quarterly index released 4 times a year. It is released 4 times a year. India, who are we? We are Indians. We can travel how many countries visa free? 62 countries. We can travel 62 countries visa free. Just Aadhaar card le lo, chale jao. More than enough. We can travel 62 countries visa free. And who are the top passport? First it was Japan. First in the previously it was Japan. But many countries have joined it now. So the topmost powerful passport is a passport can travel a country citizen can travel 194 visa free countries. 194 199 countries में से 194 visa free travel कर सकते. कौन से citizens? From France, Germany, Italy, Japan, Singapore, Spain. Please remember, these 5 countries, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 countries can travel to other countries visa free. Almost 194 countries. Almost 194 countries. Just ID card ले लेना, चलेगा. Indians कितने countries पासपोर्ट ले लो, चलेगा. वीजा की जरूरत नहीं है. वीजा ऑन अराइवल हो जाता हो. उधर गया बाद स्टैम्प मार देता है. वीजा ऑन अराइवल रहता. 194 countries. Indians can travel how many countries visa free? 62. But the top passport, top countries, how many? This France, Germany, Italy, Japan, Singapore, Spain can travel how many countries visa free? 194 countries. And with the worst, weakest country? Afghanistan. Afghanistan has to travel. Every country has to take the visa. Okay. So next objective 37. Aditya L1 mission. Aditya L1 mission. Now this Aditya L1 mission is solar mission. The category of the mission is solar mission. Who is the project director of this Aditya L1 mission? Nigar Shahji. What is the life of this mission? 5 years. It is to study the sun. Who has sent it? ISRO. Where is the headquarters of ISRO? Headquarters of ISRO. Headquarters of ISRO. Bangalore. Bangalore is the headquarters of ISRO. Now it is the first space-based solar observatory. It is the first space-based solar observatory sent by India. Sent by India. Now where it is placed? You have a satellite. Where it is placed in the space? Final orbit Lagrange rate point 1. Why it is placed at this point? There will be a minimum disturbance. There will be minimum disturbance. The view between the sun and from this point will be very clear. Will be very clear. So where is the place? Final orbit Lagrange point 1. When it is launched? September 2, 2023. So the spacecraft will be able to view the sun without any eclipses. Why it is placed in this point? You might get, agar UPSC ka de rahe exam, UPSC might ask you why this spacecraft is placed at this point only. The reason is spacecraft will be able to view the sun without any eclipses. The same level will come in group 1 also. So I have given you every point. कुछ तो पढ़ना याद रहना आपको. You can eliminate the wrong answers. So for every bit, I'm giving you some 5 to 6 points in the keywords so that you remember. Okay. Next, what is Ganga Sagar Mela? From culture, Ganga Sagar Mela. What is the which is the state in which Ganga Sagar Mela is celebrated? West Bengal state. It is celebrated every year or 2 years. This is celebrated every year during the time of Makar Sankranti. It is a harvest festival. So Ganga Sagar Mela is celebrated in West Bengal, celebrated in every year during Makar Sankranti. It is a harvest festival. Now it is a conclusion of winter. Now when you say study the geography, sun will be in which hemisphere? Sun will be in the northern hemisphere, and it is called as Uttarayan. It is called as Uttarayan, and it is held. This Mela is held at special place, held at Sagar Island, and world. It is the world second largest Hindu fair after Kumbh Mela, except with the tribal. With exceptions of the tribal thing, if you do not count the tribal melas. So this is the world's second largest Hindu fair after Kumbh. Mela is nothing but fair. So Ganga Sagar Mela, which state? West Bengal. Coming to the next bit. Vibrant Gujarat Global Summit 2024. Vibrant Gujarat Global Summit 2024. What is the theme of this Vibrant Gujarat Global Summit 2024? Gateway to the future. Future बोले तो भविष्य, भविष्य का दरवाजा, भविष्य का दरवाजा. Gateway माने दरवाजा. What is the edition? It is a 10th edition. Held in which date?